Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you what I bought from Zalora recently during their 38% sale. I was really excited to get these bags because these are crossbody bags. Okay, so this bag that I got was called the Kiptyn bag. It looks like this. It's from Aldo. And I really like how big it is because I thought the crossbody bags were pretty small, but this one measured at like 20, I can't remember the exact sizing, but it was like 22 or 21 cm and pretty wide. And this part here, I actually look like I can store a lot of things. So let me just show you what it is on the inside. So first of all, you see it like this. Some pretty nice designs. It's a little bit velvety here actually. And you have a nice little buckle, but the only problem with my buckle was that it was scratched already when it came. But Zalora does, I think, have a policy where scratches are not counted as items that you can return. Plus, I didn't really want to return my this bag since I already have it in case something else happens on the way, you know, so I'm pretty okay with it. Although it does have some scratches on this little chrome thing, it is fine. So it's a little clip. You lift up the clip, this, and then you open it up. So if you feel here, it is velvety, it is soft, opens up pretty wide. I'll just show you how it looks like. Looks like this. You can actually store a lot of things. I've actually tried putting my phone, my purse, and you have a little zip in the center, which is nice. You also have a little safety zip in the back here, which is also great to have in case you want to store extra cash, things like that if you go clubbing. Over here, you can't really see it, but over here you have some two dividers, two compartments as well. And so if you want to close the bag, you just need to loop it over the little buckle and then close it, and it is secure and it doesn't move. Although it doesn't have a zip in the middle, which I am always concerned about having a zip, this one locks down really well, so it's not easily accessible. There's no holes for you to put any naughty fingers in here and try to take anything from me. And it does have the Aldo sign at the back, and it has a long chain. So it has a really nice black chain. I like this color better. There was another one in about, I think, beige, but I like this one much better. This one, however, is not detachable. You can't take this out, and it is like a solid piece of lock here for the chain. It's this long. It looks really huge, to be honest, on camera right now that I'm looking at it. Oh, so pretty. No regrets at all. I love this. I love this little design and how that it can hold quite a lot of things, because I would usually consider maybe a clutch size, but this size is actually pretty good to stuff my cards plus keys plus phone and just my necessities like tissue, wet tissue, sanitizers, mask, things like that. So I really hope you enjoyed looking through this new bag and unboxing this with me. I have not used this. I just bought this and it just arrived like yesterday, so really excited to use this now to go out when I finally can go out with my friends for some food. But yeah, if you're thinking of considering this is one bag that you actually could buy. It's called the Kiptyn. I will actually link it below and you can take a look. I really hope you enjoyed my video, guys, and I hope you enjoy unboxing this new Zalora bag with me from Aldo, and I do hope you stay tuned for my other videos. Thank you so much for being here and take care. Bye!